So this is the newly constructed, under construction, uh, regional area medical store for New Guinea Islands region. Yes, so today we're gonna witness the RMI, the ball metal industry, and delivering the new genset, new standby generator for this building. Wow, quite a big space. Okay, so this is the new area medical store. It's coming towards the completion of it, and there you go. You can see the materials being stocked here. So this is where they're gonna place the Okay, so looking from above where the offices will be. Okay, so these are the compartments office.